Hi, all of you. My name is Chetan Singh, and I am an English learner. I try to spread positivity among the people through my words so that I can change their life into something meaningful. Because nowadays, suffering is everywhere, but we are lacking some positivity in our life. So, that is the room which I am trying to fill through my words, and along with that, I am also just practicing my speaking, my English speaking while spreading positivity so that I can become a fluent speaker in English. So, without any delays, just dive into the today's topic. Today, we are going to talk about the focus, the power of focus. We all are lacking this quality in our life. We have talents, we have all the necessary things which is crucial to have big achievements, but we are not focused with our goals, with our dreams. We are so much distracted nowadays, and the very first reason of distraction is your mobile phone. Sometimes it's your surrounding as well, but if you can make yourself focused on one thing, how much you can pay back from that small sacrifice. I know it's a sacrifice to focus or concentrate on something, or just ignoring your pleasures or not enjoying the time which you want to enjoy with your family, with your friends. Focus and concentration is very hard, but it is a game changer thing if you can accumulate that quality in your life. I also lack focus sometimes, but it's our duty to bring ourselves back to the reality, because the short term pleasures are not here to last long. They are just for few moments. They are here for just few moments, and we will forget those pleasures once we have done with them. But your long term goals, your dreams are long lasting thing for your life. Once you achieve them with small sacrifices and your concentration, then you will make proud on yourself for entire life. So just be the person who is fully focused for his life dreams, for his life goals. I am remembering that story now. There was a monk. He had the student, and that student was kind of dumb, but monk was not aware that he has a hidden potential in him. Once he was going to the river bank with all the other students, and he gave a task to every student there, but he was not able to give any task to that dumb student. So what he thought, he said that I am going to give you one task, that you have to write these words in the wall. There was a wall beside that river bank, so he wrote that words on that wall. And monk also said that until I'll not stop you, you will not stop. You have to keep writing that verse. He gave that task to that student because he want that student to just gulp or digest that line or verse properly. Maybe it will work on his mentality. So that student did the same. But when there was a evening and that monk was returning back to his house or to his monastery, that time he forgot that he never stopped that student in beside the river bank who was just writing that verse. So he came back. He went back to that place, and he saw that student was keep writing that verse on the wall. And the monk became shocked when he saw that the pen or the tool which he was given to that student that was all already finished, but still he was writing that verse with his fingers blood. So it was a very shocking thing, and he came close to that student, and monks asked him that why didn't you stop. He said, the student replied that I never realized that there is a evening and I have to go to home, and I just focused on that work, so that's why I was not aware that what's going on in my surrounding. After that, that monk got realized that this person is not dumb. He has immense possibilities in him, and eventually he became a very great monk in future. So if you, it doesn't matter that you are intelligent or not, your mind is working like other people in your surrounding effectively or not, but if you are focused on or you are concentrate on one thing and you are keep doing that thing, then you can invite the great fortunes in your life with your consistent hard work and focus. So be focused. It is a very powerful thing. If this element can be conquered by any person, then it can make a person a great person, and it can elevate person's mentality to the level where everyone comes and bow down to that person. So that was my message for today. Try to be focused on your task and put your concentration on one thing rather than distracted by the other 10 things. That is the only key which you have to accumulate in your life, so that you can become a great person, so that you can become a best version of yourself. At last, I always just say you have to be the change to see the change. That is my closing lines, which I always say, so that I can make you remind that you have to make the small changes in your life in order to see your life in better place. So that's all for today. I hope that you have gained something through my words, and you will implement it in your life as well. Thanks for giving me your precious time. We will meet in next video. Until then, take care and bye.